Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2020 Tige RZX23. The metal flake on this boat really accents, very nice. Raised lettering, decals, very attractive. In the bow area of this 23 RZX, you can see it has got a ton of room in the front for seating. Gator step decking on the bow cap, easy boarding on and off, cup holders, speakers. Gator step all throughout the entire boat. It has these very usable back seat rests that flip up, lay down. Nice horseshoe shaped seating. Wet sound stereo system with a power tower. Tige puts their deployment switch for the tower up on top, makes it very easy to access. Of course, you have your smart wheel. It keeps all your buttons and gauges stationary while you're under movement. Large touch screen, bolster, thigh rise, very nice captain's chair. This has got a seat that you can lift, backrest. This flips up, and then you have a step here for access in and out. Here it shows the seat in the upright position. So you have an entire row of seating that will come up. This right here will also flip up so you can face rearward. On the back of the boat, there is a stereo remote control. You've got a very large storage locker for your boards. Big, large swim platform on the back. Again, gator step decking inside to protect the gel coat. Here you can see the Inmar Raptor 6.2 liter water-cooled engine, 400 horsepower. Storage, port and starboard. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168. Look forward to working with you. Come on by and see us. We're glad to show you all of our lineup of Tige and ATX boats.